back to s'more time with Ethan. So you want to make a s'more.
Back to not getting killed by a dragon.
First step, go to the store and get yourself the supplies. First you get a graham cracker. You break that graham cracker in half just like this. Get yourself a nice flat marshmallow or puffy or whatever you want. Put that on the cracker. And then open your fridge, get your refrigerated Hershey chocolate, not sponsored. And
Should be sponsored by my bank account.
what? Anyways, I got the camera. Eat off the extra edges of the chocolate. Put that on the marshmallow and then put the graham cracker on top. Boom. S'more. I'm the master s'more maker. The first and last episode of S'more Time with Ethan.